Hello, social media marketing students. My name is Terry Dauscher, and I'm your professor for your class this winter term 2012-2013. This class will open this weekend, December 1st. In the meantime, I thought I'd post just a quick welcome video so you get to see me in person. And the syllabus is live here now. You'll see in the syllabus that there's 2 books I'd like you to order. I've picked both of these books specifically because they're available through internet download. They are not books that you have to order in hard copy, so you'll be able to get your hands on them pretty quickly. If you don't have a Kindle or a Nook device, you can download the free Kindle or Nook software directly from the internet at no cost right onto your PC or your laptop or your tablet if you happen to own a tablet. And then you'll be able to purchase the Kindle version from Amazon of both of these trade books very affordably and have them streamed to you right away. Figured since this is a social media marketing class, I'm going to try to do everything we possibly can on the web to continue to familiarize you with web technology. So that's it for now. We'll be scheduling phone conversations as well over the first couple weeks. I'll explain that in the introductory video that I post this weekend for you. But in the meantime, sit tight, not much you need to do, just wanted to say hello ahead of the game, and I will talk to you this weekend again. Bye.